Yay, we did it. We went out and got one. Woohoo! Now we gotta season it and give her a shot and see what happens. It's upside down, it ain't gonna work.
We didn't buy the hole.
Oh, lovely. Don't we have one?
Most people will use tongs, but I'm a tough guy.
Tough is what you want to call it?
Smart people would use tongs.
Carol, this is a family movie. Family channel. Keep it. Grandma and tongs. Ah!
Wow. That's some hot stuff.
Hot stuff, Maynard. And now
Another
we'll try
30 minutes.
a little trick.
I think we got an hour and 30 minutes of fat to burn through, so we're good.
Now we'll heat the corners up, give them evenly. Aha! Forget it. It's going natural.
Yeah. Okay, begin.
Oh!
Now we're going to start our mushrooms and leeks for the steak. Ooh.
Uh-oh, one trying to jump out the back there. Oh,
Escape,
shit.
escape.
Oh, he got away.
That's okay.
And now comes this. Right?
Yep.
It's all Carol's problem.
Now we're going to throw some smoked paprika on them, some garlic, and salt and pepper. Is that all I got over there?
Yeah. You put a lot of salt on so the onions will put down, and so will the, yeah, get rid of all the water. Well, this is going to be fun to do. First time for everything, huh?
Yep.
You just throw a bunch of them down on the pig food. There ain't no holes in that grill so they don't fall through?
No, you're going to have some good on that one.
Well, we got an awful lot on there. We got quite a bit.
Oh, it won't take them long to do.
Yeah, no.
The old sidearm cook there watching food fly out the back door.
My God, where the hell did you come from?
Been there all the time.
Jeez.
He came from his mother.
I think she'd know that. They should put a screen on the back of that thing.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be a good idea.
It's up for me. Half hour. We can get rid of that.
Yeah, we're done.
It's called an audible at the line.
You want to know the measurements? Do as much as you feel like it.
Yep. We don't measure, we just do it. They're cooking really good too.
Really fast too.
What does that look like? A kidney, a liver?
Going up and the round thing at the end of the meat.
South America.
There you go, Charlie.
South America.
That's
Oh
a
my
chip
God.
steak.
That is looking good.
Oh.
It is smelling good. And that's a lot of stuff on there too. We got 2 big steaks, 4 hamburgers, and a ton of veggies. So far, so good.
What's in them veggies?
Mushroom, leeked mushrooms, yeah. And I gotta go make the salads. Finished product looks absolutely delish. What do you say?
Yeah, I look absolutely delicious.
What do you say?
It's alright.
What do you say?
As they eat.
Yummy. Well, we loved our new Blackstone Griddle. We got the 17-inch tabletop. I think we paid $84 at Walmart. We tried it out with some steak and hamburgers. The food was great, delicious. It was easy to cook, quick to cook. Cleanup was easy. Lighting it was easy. It lit on the first try. So, got nothing but good things to say about it, and we would recommend it highly. So thanks again, MJ, for getting us off our butts and getting us to go get one. We're now going to be cooking with it every weekend, so I would definitely recommend you get one and try it out for yourself, guys. Thanks.